you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a California found for December. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my December California found just arrived, and I'm so excited to see what is in here. If you guys follow me, you know I really love this box because it kind of brings home to me here in Florida because I am a California girl, currently living in a Florida world. So this kind of, I always just like the way this box makes me feel, and they have some really cool items, and everything is from California artisans. So when you open her up, they give you a card that goes over each individual item. Here is the presentation. When you cut the sticker, remove this, and that's what it looks like on top. So let's go ahead and open these, and we can dive in and see what is all going on in here. Okay, so the first item right on top that we already saw is this right here, and this is the featured product, the Girl Friday or the large wallet. So this must be a large wallet. And if you guys follow me, then you know I'm not into this style, so I will go ahead and set this aside for a future giveaway. But when you open it up, it is green inside. It does have a sticker that says $43, and it does say that this retails for $43, as well as I guess the purse that would have been in there. So there's like the two different style variations that would have been in here. It looks like you would slide maybe your ID card inside here, and then I'm not sure how this is really a wallet because there's really no area for credit cards or change or anything. It's just, that's all that is in there, but it's a wallet. And this must be some type of like a leather. So it just says the MIDI Queen, so Medi Queen handbags is the brand, and it doesn't say what type of material this is that I'm seeing quickly anyway, so I don't know what this is really made out of, but you can use the code CAFOUND for 20% off your first purchase at midiqueenhandbags.com. And again, this values for $43. It's just not, I mean, it's nice, it's green inside, but I like my wallets to have a change thing and things for my credit cards, and also to match my purse. So I will go ahead and stick this in a future giveaway, but there's that. And then there is a logo or something right there that's like right here. It has their logo on it. So there's that. So there's item number one. Then let's see what else is in here. So we have this box, which matches up with that logo. So this looks like it's a candle, and you know I love candles. So that's what it looks like inside. This is valued at $18. This is a 4-ounce coconut wax candle in Old Fashioned. That smells nice. That does smell nice. I'm not quite sure what Old Fashioned is considered, but it smells nice. I don't know what to say it smells like, but it smells nice. So I can't wait to burn that. It is in like this nice little green colored candle, which is different. So I do like that. This one you can use code CAFOUND20 for 20% off your first purchase at Lauren/Beckett, BECKETT.com, which is the same as that right there. That's the name. So we have a candle. This smells amazing. So this item I'm loving. Then we have is the jewelry item right here. This says it's from Jess & Co. So let me find that one. Here we go. This values at $38, and you can use code CA15 for 15% off your purchase. And this looks tiny. Is this a bracelet? Oh my goodness. That is tiny. I don't know. Is that really a bracelet? You must have a tiny wrist. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely is not. It's not for my wrist because it's not closing. So if you have a nice dainty wrist, this will look really nice, but that is what it looks like. And it values for $38. So this will go to somebody. Hopefully it'll fit them because it won't fit me. Then the next item in here is handmade goat soap milk. And it says batch 314, soap 112, fiddlefish. And this one is here. Okay, so this is fiddlefish. You can use code CAFound2 for 15% off. Expires 3/1 of 20 at www.fiddlefish.co. And this is valued at $9. And this is a chamomile goat milk soap. I can smell the chamomile. It smells really good. That looks really pretty though. That kind of matches the color scheme of like the candle, kind of like that greenish color to it. So that is really neat. I like the way that it looks. So I can't wait to try out that soap. That's nice. And then it looks like the last item in here is this. Okay, and this right here is a blackberry and pomegranate berry patch tart fruit citrus number 6 yes cocktails. I'm not sure, that sounds yummy. This you can use code CALIFOUND for 15% off your purchase of $45 or more at yescocktailco.com. This is a blackberry pomegranate cocktail mixer valued at $12. And this says, we love the blackberry pomegranate featured this month with champagne or sparkling wine. Ooh. It's the perfect way to ring in 2020. So cocktail 101, measure, let's see, mix plus the spritz. How boozy do you like it? Chill it, cheers. So you basically add your own alcohol to it and you make your own cocktail from the blackberry and pomegranate, and that sounds really good. And that's valued at $12. So that is everything that we got in this month's box, you guys. I will put the total value right about here for all of the products. So we got this cocktail mix. This does not have alcohol in it. You add your alcohol to this mix and it'll probably make a really yummy drink. So I can't wait to try that. We have the goat milk chamomile smelling soap. We have this little bracelet that's not a one size fits all. We have this amazing smelling candle that I'm excited to burn. And then we have this wallet that will go in a future giveaway because it's not my style. So that is everything that we got in this month's box, you guys. If you guys want to know a little bit more about California Found and what the pricing is and all of that good stuff, they are a monthly subscription box and it is $49 per month. They have $7.95 for shipping for the US, $16.95 for Canada, and $23 for most international. So you just check to see where you are, what your shipping fees would be. And they ship between the 25th and the 30th of every month. It's prepaid, it renews monthly, and you can cancel at any time. And again, they find all different items from small artisans just in California only. So they always will bring a part of California to wherever you live, to your door. So it says once a month, our subscribers experience the California lifestyle through a box filled to the brim with natural spa and beauty products, locally sourced gourmet treats, beautifully crafted home goods, and infinitely wearable jewelry. Each box tells a story of a unique selection of California makers through their products and an individual note card dedicated to each one, because again, they do put them on each card, so it gives you all the information so you can know about the company and why they chose it, that kind of thing. And you always do find some really neat products. They do send a lot of like candles. I've gotten plants inside this box, which was really cool. We've got rubs and just different, like we've had food items in here. So you always find just something really neat, stuff you never knew really existed until you got this box delivered. So I do appreciate the box. I really love the items that come in here. This month is a good box. It's just, this is just not my, this is the only thing that's not my forte really, but everything else is really cool except the bracelet's a little too small. I wish it was a little bit bigger in like an adjustable one, because then it would have fit, but it just doesn't fit my wrist. So 2 out of the items I won't be able to use, but the other 3 I will be able to. So this is a little more than half of the box. So again, you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of these items? What did you think of this box? Let me know, let me know. So this month, they're also honored to continue their ongoing commitment to the 1% of the planet learn more about their mission at www.1percentfortheplanet.org, because they always do give back every month. Sometimes it could be to save the oceans, the beaches, that kind of thing. So this month it is for 1% for the planet is where they're donating to this month. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? Did you like the items in here? Let me know what you think. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.